In this quick dive, a forgotten corner of retro tech appears not as gadgets, but as tactile relics of mechanical keyboards. Creators hunted rare switches and thick keycaps inspired by exotic arcade cabinets and early computer labs. Each model tells a story of plastic memories, spring tensions, and the satisfying thought that makes typing feel alive. Today, collectors blend retro boards with modern PC builds to revive a universe where every keystroke carries history. This quiet revival shows how texture and sound can transport us to the hands of designers who wrote the first chapters of digital communication.